The best rail journeys on Earth? There are a lot of rail travel trips available all around the world that provide breathtaking scenery, luxurious accommodations, and unique experiences. Below are a few of the top rail journeys, known for their amazing experiences. Trans-Siberian Railway of Russia. From Moscow to Vladivostok, the renowned Trans-Siberian Railway of Russia passes through a range of landscapes, including vast steppes and dense forests. The legendary Trans-Siberian Railway is the world's longest continuous rail line, from Moscow to Beijing in about 15 days. This enormous trek spans 6 time zones and 5,000 miles, 9,000 kilometers, or more than 1/3 of the world. The journey offers a chance to see Russian culture firsthand and enjoy the beautiful landscape of Siberia. Canada's Rocky Mountaineer. The magnificent Canadian Rockies are traversed by the Rocky Mountaineer, which provides breathtaking views of snow-capped mountains, clear lakes, and lush woods. Along the road, Banff, Jasper, and Vancouver are all well-known destinations. Travelers on board the Rocky Mountaineer can delight their senses with gourmet meals prepared by executive chefs and spectacular vistas of the Canadian Rockies through the panoramic windows of a bi-level glass dome coach with the gold leaf service. You can be confident that everything will be taken care of, from amusing you with tales about passing locations to topping off your glass of wine and calling out wildlife sightings. Europe's Orient Express. The Orient Express in Europe. The original Orient Express, which traveled from Paris to Istanbul, is not this one. This route's modern iteration departs from London and arrives in Venice. Although passengers are treated to picturesque views of the European countryside, the train itself is truly amazing. All the elegance and glitz of the original Orient Express were incorporated into its design. Numerous routes are run by Europe's Orient Express, which is renowned for its luxury and elegance. It is well known for its timeless attractiveness and lavish carriages, which provide passengers a glimpse into the luxurious past of train travel. The Orient Express, arguably the most well-known train in the world, is a theatrical production for those who yearn to return to a bygone era of travel. The train transports travelers into a fantasy of unadulterated extravagance with lacquered marquetry, varnished walls, and personal attendants to make up the cabins. South African Luxury Train, the Blue Train between Pretoria and Cape Town. The Blue Train, a luxury train operating in South Africa, offers a lavish ride across the nation. The best cuisine, plush accommodations, and stunning views are available to passengers. You travel through some of South Africa's most beautiful landscapes on the Blue Train. The 994-mile ride offers some of the best vistas of the surrounding scenery, and the train's leisurely pace makes it possible to photograph them all. There are a few different lodging options available on the train, including luxury and economy suites. The warmth is unmatched, and the culinary service is outstanding. Switzerland's Glacier Express. The Glacier Express in Switzerland connects Zermatt and St. Moritz and provides a tranquil journey through the Swiss Alps. The panoramic windows aboard the train make viewing simple, and there are headphones available for the narrative. There are various service levels offered, as well as a snack trolley, complete dinners, and an onboard bar. A premium multi-course lunch with local wines and a private seating area are among the special extras included with an excellence class ticket. The Glacier Express is the crowning achievement of Switzerland's rail network, which is known for the high caliber and dependability of its trains. The railway travels slowly because it must squeeze past pristine mountain sceneries, opulent ski resorts, small valleys, sharp turns, 91 tunnels, and 291 bridges. Visitors travel during the trip nature, culture, and people encountered along the way. Indian Pacific, Australia. Indian Pacific, Australia. The Indian Pacific travels across the vast Australian outback to connect Perth and Sydney. The Indian Pacific is one of the most legendary railroad routes. It travels the full length of Australia from Sydney on the east coast to Perth in the west, passing through a variety of landscapes including the breathtaking Blue Mountains and the vast, flat, otherworldly plains of the Nullarbor Plain. Be prepared for cozy accommodations, top-notch cuisine, and exciting day trips that vary on the return trip. The Indian Pacific is a stunning 4,352-kilometer train that runs between Perth, Adelaide, and Sydney. It is named for the two oceans it crosses on its voyage. The romance of rail is the best way to discover Australia's breathtaking inner scenery. Peru travelers can tour the magnificent Sacred Valley and see famous sites like Machu Picchu on this luxury train that travels through the Peruvian Andes. Embark on this opulent Peruvian train for an unparalleled experience as you travel through this stunning nation. Discover vivacious cities and breathtaking natural treasures. The first premium sleeper service in South America, Andean Explorer, provides 1 or 2 night vacations. Travel over the highest Andean plains from Cusco, the former Inca Empire capital, to reach Lake Titicaca's serene beauty. Keep moving in the direction of the UNESCO World Heritage-listed city of Arequipa, Scotland's the Royal Scotsman, the Royal Scotsman of Scotland. The Royal Scotsman provides private tours through the rugged terrain, castles, and charming villages of Scotland, providing a luxurious way to explore the Scottish Highlands. The Bellman Royal Scotsman delivers a journey unlike any other as it travels through the undulating terrain of the Scottish Highlands, displaying towering mountains, historic castles, wooded glens, and glittering lochs. Each of the 40 passengers who board the train is given a lavish experience from start to finish. Each excursion is distinguished by outstanding cuisine, first-rate service, and an environment on board that encourages leisure and exploration. For the duration of each tour, all meals, beverages, and alcoholic drinks are provided. The great excursions that highlight the majesty of Scotland and the United Kingdom are all included in the ticket price, along with free on-board entertainment. With a glass of whiskey in hand, passengers can relax and observe the ride. An eagle in gold Trans-Siberian train with an eagle in gold similar to the Trans-Siberian Railway. This luxurious train offers a more upscale experience with well-appointed cabins and fine meals, while traversing the vastness of Russia. A resident pianist, an English-speaking doctor, laundry services, TVs, air conditioning in the summer and full heat in the winter are also included. India's Palace on Wheels. Go on a train trip with Palace on Wheels and see India like never before. The Palace on Wheels of India takes guests on a royal experience as it takes them around Rajasthan's ancient cities. The attentive service and stylish interior of the train make for a sumptuous journey. In just 8 days, you will travel over the vast landscapes of Rajasthan and Agra, taking in the culture as our well-cared-for guest. You get 2 restaurants, a lounge bar, a spa, and roomy deluxe staterooms with attached bathrooms. You also get a personal butler. These train trips provide amazing opportunities to see some of the most beautiful natural landscapes and human civilizations while traveling in comfort and style. Always keep in mind that there might be variations in the products, routes, and availability, so it's a good idea to plan ahead and conduct some research.